Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. I am currently sitting on my kitchen floor just so that Riley could say hi to everybody here on the vlog. Jaywaz is working on, y'all, the butt. Riley's butt right here. Sweetie, sit down, sit down. Thank you. Right now, Jaywaz is finishing up a session. I just finished my work, and so I'm gonna start dinner because tonight I'm gonna go play tennis. And I'm very, very excited. Y'all, do not be fooled. Tennis is nowhere near like pickleball. If you guys have been following me since last summer, you know that I have been like pickleball obsessed. Jaywaz and I would play all the time. We still do. So I thought if I could play pickleball, I could easily transfer that over into my knowledge for tennis. And that is not true. Pickleball is so much easier than tennis. Tennis is actually like impossibly hard, and so I am basically taking tennis lessons from my friend Jess, who played like through high school, and so she actually still plays a lot. And I was like, I've been really wanting to learn tennis. Do you think you can make this happen? And she was like, oh yeah, you'll pick up on it. And I'm actually gonna take you guys tonight when I go play because it is just hilarious how bad I am. But I did kind of learn to serve. I've only played once, so I'm still not very good, but I thought now's the time to learn. It's the summer, it's a great way to work out. Jaywaz actually got up this morning at 6 a.m. and did his 6-mile run, and I am sad to report that I did not do my 6-mile run, but that is because I was like, I'm playing tennis today, which means that I will get some sort of workout in, so I'm not gonna run, although I did work out yesterday. So back-to-back workout days. I'm very, very proud. I've been really slacking over the last few months as far as like my health and like working out goes. I haven't been eating well, I haven't been working out well, and so Jaywaz and I had a come to Jesus moment where we were like, we have got to get this under control, because if we can't get it under control in the summer, it doesn't really get any easier when it comes around winter. So we're trying to like get in good shape again and just feel healthy. I feel like there was a moment where kind of like late last summer, I was feeling amazing. I just felt so good. I felt like I had so much energy. I felt like I looked my best. I actually went back and watched those old vlogs as like motivation, because I just feel like I looked really good and I just felt really good. So I'm trying to get back into that place, but it is a slow grind, as I'm sure everybody knows. Anytime you're trying to get back in shape, it's just a very long process, and it's not an immediate results kind of thing, even though I really want it to be. But tonight I'm gonna be making dinner. We have been trying to eat at home and not eat out all the time. This past weekend was just kind of crazy because we had friends in town, and so it was just like, do you want to go out? Do you want to go out here? We had to show them all the best restaurants in Nashville, so we had to eat out. And then we also had like our last Bible study group this past week too, so we like went out to dinner for that, and then we went out to dinner just for no reason. I mean, we went to dinner like 4 or 5 times in the past week, so that's kind of a lot for us because typically we only go out once or twice a week. And so I'm cooking dinner tonight. I'm gonna put some rice in. I'm gonna be making, I think Jaywaz wants chicken. I'm probably gonna have salmon because I'm trying to get back on my salmon grind. I kind of fell off of that for a second because I was like, this doesn't really like, I don't know, doesn't really sound that good because I had eaten it so much. My salmon love has been reignited. I'm gonna make dinner, and then we are gonna quickly shoot something for Clorox. So that's gonna be very fun. But I need to get the rice in because I think Jaywaz is about to finish work in the next like 45 minutes, and I wanna try to get the rice in so that it finishes right when he gets done. Best rice ever. I don't know what this is called, but you can find it on Amazon, so I'll link it. You can find it at Kroger, I believe. Publix doesn't have this rice, only Kroger. We love this rice. It's the rice that Jason's family uses as well. While I am waiting to start dinner, I'm gonna start in like 5 minutes, but I want to time it perfectly. I wanted to share this snack with y'all that I actually tried for my friend Nancy. She had these, and ever since she got them, I've been trying to find them at Publix for like the last maybe month and a half, and I've just never found them because they're always sold out. And Jaywaz went to the grocery store yesterday and he finally found them. They are the Nutty and Fruity dried strawberries. These are literally like gummies, but you feel a little bit healthier. They're definitely not healthy. Like, they are 90 calories per serving, and one serving is like 1 ounce. There's definitely added sugar, so most of the unhealthiness is the added sugar, but they literally taste like gummies, like a candy. They're so good, and I try not to eat a lot of them, and I've actually done a very good job at not eating the entire bag in one sitting. But I just had to share these with y'all because they're so delicious, and I just want to stock up on them because they're so good. I forgot that our pepper thing was empty, so I ordered more on Amazon of this pink salt and pepper. Jaywas is taking over dinner. I had to run upstairs, do a quick outfit change because we are in a time crunch to shoot the Clorox campaign. Honestly, whenever I think of Clorox, I think of literally COVID and the fact that when I had gone to the store to actually pick up some Clorox because we were out of it to like clean our counters, there was none to be found. And so I feel like Clorox, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've had Clorox to use. We've been using the Miss Myers stuff lately, but I just don't feel like it gets the job done sometimes, especially on like grease on our counters and stuff. So I'm very, very happy to have Clorox back in my life. We're gonna shoot this. We're doing a sponsored Instagram post for them, which is very, very exciting. But the reason that we are on a time crunch is because our kitchen, the side of our kitchen, only has sunlight for like 30 minutes in the evening when the sun is setting. And so we literally have like a 30-minute time frame to get these photos and stories done. And we also are trying to cook dinner. So we're just trying to do it all right now, right before I go to tennis. All right, y'all, back on the salmon grind. We've got seasoned salmon, white rice, and asparagus. Just finished dinner. Dressed for tennis. Can you guys believe that we actually knocked out dinner shooting that photo before the sunset, and now I'm off to tennis just a few minutes later. I'm actually wearing my Girlfriend Collective shorts, and I forgot how much I love these because of the like spandex liner in them. They're actually really great. So this is what we're wearing, all black for tennis. All right, we're out here on the black court, which I'm really glad that we did kind of evening tennis because this would be so hot. It's like 7 o'clock, but it turns out my apartment complex has these amazing, well, this single amazing tennis court. So Jess, my instructor, first my friend, second my tennis coach.
Let's go.
She's gonna teach me some more today. But how did I do on my first time?
It was really good, actually. I was actually really impressed. She doesn't believe me, but I'm telling the truth.
She says that, but I literally couldn't hit it back. I could serve, but I could not, like, is it called volleying in tennis or no?
Volleying's at the net.
The more you know.
So she just hit it.
Hello friends, it is the next day. Jaywas has his shades on because we're about to go check out another house. Very impromptu. Impromptu, is that the right word? Yes. This one came up a couple days ago and we just recently were like, maybe we should just look at that. So we're gonna go look at it today. It might shock you because it's very different than what we've looked at in the past, but we're really, really excited.
We're not getting desperate, you're getting desperate.
This one would definitely fit all of our needs and it's actually really nice. It's just not really like completely our style, but it is really nice. But this morning I got up and I got breakfast with mom. Jaywas went and got coffee with a friend. So we split ways this morning, and then I was trying to upload this stupid vlog all day, and for some reason I kept having issues with the music, but I got it up. It went up like 4 hours late, but we got it. Riley, are you ready to chill on the couch while we go look at a house? Are you ready? There she is. Nice stone. I love this like washed brick. This like kind of gray brown. Tall doors. Y'all, this is the basement. Look at the ceilings.
They're taller than upstairs. That's a hustle. What the heck?
It's crazy. And then look. Babe, do you see this additional room over here?
It's like a media room.
Wow.
Just like a little guy down here.
All right, Jaywaz, hold the camera so they can see the ceilings to scale. All right, so this is the upstairs. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house. This would be my filming room. It is literally huge with a closet, with a window. Okay, we just got done looking at that house and I dropped Jason off at home and I'm currently sitting in the Publix parking lot because I'm picking up ingredients and stuff for a girls' night. Mary Helen and I are gonna be doing like these avocado taco bowls, and then we're also gonna do like some mixed cocktails with sake for me. Basically, with this house, we ended up really liking it. It's honestly way more space than we need right now, just the two of us. It would be great to grow into. We could easily run both of our jobs out of it, but the only thing is that it has some, you guessed it, foundation issues, because houses on hills have foundation issues, we are finding. And for some reason, we just find all of the houses on hills because we're trying to find houses with basements, and basically if you want a basement, you gotta be on some kind of hill. So it just doesn't even feel like we should, I don't know, we just probably shouldn't go after it, because my aunt, basically her and her husband are in construction and they are like, just if it has foundation issues, don't even get involved with that. So back to the drawing board. It was an obvious no, but we're really glad we looked at it. I think I think we're getting a little bit more comfortable with that style of house, which is kind of odd because we were so like dead set on, you know, those contemporary modern houses. But it does feel like in this market, you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I don't know, we might branch out, get something a little bit more like, I don't know. I feel like that house, to me, I want to call it like Southern glam a little bit, but it's not really that glam. Anyway, I'm outside Publix. I'm gonna run in. It is 86 degrees outside, so gotta get in before my car overheats. Look who I'm with. Mary Helen. We are making, what was it called? Like a burrito bowl almost, where it's like chicken, avocado, tomato. I like your top from Shein. So no way.
Is that how you say it?
I think so. Your place is so cute. I want to show them around. Wait, can you give us a tour?
Yeah. It's not that clean.
That's okay. People have seen my place. My place is always...
Wait,
are you kidding me? You're literally like,
okay.
It's not that clean. There's nothing in here.
I'm a perfectionist when it comes to aesthetic, okay?
It's true. Mary Helen has the best aesthetic.
There's actually like a hole in our wall, so that's why we put this bulletin board. That wasn't like the first instinct, but we love coffee.
But the bulletin
in our
board's
house.
really cute.
Yes, all the wedding save the dates, all the things, but we love coffee in our house, so we do a lot of pour overs and we make tea and this whole thing. So that's our little station. We made it good.
coffee maker.
Oh, yeah, both of us were baristas, so we had to. But we actually met in a coffee shop.
Which coffee shop?
Revelator.
Which is where Jason used to work.
Jason got called the job pretty much. I owe my marriage to Jason Wozniak.
And then I got the dish rack thing because Mary Helen had it. I literally was influenced by her.
Sorry, this is so gross. And I love these little rugs. I got that at home for 10 bucks. You gotta do what you can with a rental. This is a couch we got on Craigslist.
In the rain.
In the rain, the pouring rain. Cole and our other friend Cole got it.
We have lots of friends named Cole. We have a lot of them.
Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. I love Facebook Marketplace.
Look at our tiny little shelf with the plant. It's so cute.
And this was also Facebook Marketplace.
Oh, show us your find.
Oh, my favorite find. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. Is
the wicker thing.
Wicker shelf. I haven't styled it yet, but I got it so when we get a house, you know, eventually this can go maybe in the dining room, maybe, you know, you never know. West Elm chair. The only thing not from Facebook Marketplace. And then this is our little room. Not much to see here.
I got her this basket for her bachelorette.
Yes, perfect for the beach or, you know, the wall. And then Chloe got me this diffuser.
Wait, we have the same dresser?
Yes, same dresser except I got it on Facebook Marketplace.
Alright, we've got quinoa going, we have toasted up the corn, we've got chicken done, rice is cooking in the microwave, Mary Helen's making our vinaigrettes. Here at 5:30. It is now 7 o'clock and we are just now getting our bowls together, but it looks so good. This looks so good. I can't believe we pulled this off. Jason's gonna literally be like, okay, now can you make that?
Who am I?
Look at these drinks. Oh my gosh, this is literally a Pinterest meal. I mean, we actually did get this off Pinterest.
But we also you know, put our little flair.
Yeah, but I'll put the recipes down below for the sake cocktail and our bowls. And your placemats and napkins.
So cute.
I am editing this vlog right now and I realized I forgot to film an outro yet again. I hope you guys enjoyed joining me and Mary Helen as we made our little Pinterest dinner and seeing that house. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon.